Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to add the circular prism effect onto your timeline. So initially what you're going to want to do is go to Media, click on your clip, drag it down to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, click on Video Effects and go down to Christmas. And then we're going to find the circular prism, grab it and drag it down to the timeline, and we can move it from right to left anywhere on the timeline, and we can increase the length of the effect. And now with the effect selected, and you can tell this by the white highlight around the effect, we're going to go to special effects and we can change the filter, we can increase the filter, the strength, speed, and the texture. So let's take a look. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.